Hiya folks, JD here, and today I've been reading an article and I wanted to take 5 minutes of your time and see whether you were aware of this as well. There's a new drone coming out. It's just been shown in CES 2018 and I just wanted to see whether you were aware. It's by DJI. It's called the DJI Tello, and it's an extremely small 80-gram indoor flying quadcopter. Now, it resembles the Spark in quite a few ways. It has also got a bare frame look to it as well, obviously to reduce weight as well. Now, weight-wise, it comes in as 80 grams. That is unbelievably light. Now, a couple of other things about it. It's under $100. It measures 98mm by 41mm, so it quite literally will fit inside the palm of your hand. That's amazing. One, there's a DJI drone that's going to be around for under $100. Two, it is so light and so entirely small that it'll just pretty much fit into a carry case and fit in your bag, and you can take out a drone with you. Now, it has quite a few good features about it. I'm sure it has a lot of good features, but the few that I've picked up on just for this video have been that it does mid-air flips. Now, this is a feature that DJI drones have never done as far as I'm aware. Mid-air flips. It also has live streaming and the ability to program the airframe as well. Now, that's fantastic. Already it's starting to do a lot more than what a lot of other toy grade quadcopters can do out there as well. So not only, I'm guessing from this as well, when it says program your airframe, a program would be a flight path possibly. Now, I don't know if this drone is going to be GPS enabled. For the price, I very, very much doubt it. But if anybody is going to do it and going to be able to do it under a cheap price, it's going to be DJI. Now, it's smaller than the Spark. It packs the same flight stabilization technology because it's using an Intel chip. Fantastic. We know Intel have got some absolutely fantastic drones out there. You've seen the videos of a couple of thousand drones making the shape of Mickey Mouse and things inside Disneyland complex. Now, also, it's also going to have hand gestures, so that is a feature that came in with the DJI Spark, but now they've scaled that down to a minute size, and you are still going to be able to use your hand to call it left, right, and everywhere else. I read this and I had to make this video because my mind was blown absolutely with the fact that this is actually going to come out. Now, it's set for release in March. And I tell you what, I'm going to be there. I'm going to be buying it straight off the bat because I can't believe that there's going to be a DJI drone for under $100, which is 80 grams. Now, I think if I was to guess, I would assume that, I don't like assuming, but I will guess that this is going to be an indoor flyer, because at 80 grams, the slightest breeze, if it doesn't have GPS lock, it's just going to fly away. So I'm going to stick in my mind it's going to be an indoor flyer, but still, even if it is just an indoor flyer, this is massive, this is huge, this is brilliant. And yeah, absolutely, I'll be getting one, and absolutely, I'll be testing it, and absolutely, we'll be doing about 7 or 8 different videos on it. But yeah, I just wanted to see what you guys think of this, because I've got my trusty DJI Phantom 3 here, and I just wanted to know exactly what you think of it. And yeah, I'm very, very excited for this. I really am. I think this is going to be a fantastic bit of kit at such a cheap price. Now, this isn't a sponsored talk, this is just me having a chat and seeing exactly what you guys think. I value all of your comments, and normally on any sort of little vlog like this we get a lot of comments back, and it's brilliant. I get a good sense of how you guys are thinking as well. Now, yeah, so I tell you what, as soon as that goes live in March, bam, I'm going to be buying one. So there we are, folks. I wonon't take up any more of your time. Thanks for watching, cheers for listening, and I'm gonna get on. I got a few more unboxings to do today, ready for the next couple of weeks. So until then, folks, happy flying.